There are many ways to earn money online in 1 month. Some options include 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, on websites like Upwork or Freelancer. 2. Selling products. Use platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay to sell products. 3. Online surveys. Sign up for websites that pay you to take surveys, such as SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on sales. 5. Online tutoring. Offer your expertise in a specific subject and charge for online tutoring sessions. 6. Content creation. Create and monetize content on platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 7. Dropshipping. Partner with a supplier to sell their products online without having to keep inventory. 8. Online courses. Create and sell your own online course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. 9. Stock market trading. Invest in stocks, bonds, or other securities to potentially earn money. 10. Virtual assistants. Offer your administrative or technical support to businesses or entrepreneurs. Keep in mind that earning money online takes time, effort, and sometimes also some initial investment. Also, it's important to research and understand the risks and potential returns of any opportunities before investing your time or money.